Oliver via email asked, "Hi, I cannot find on your site an oil change kit for Mark 7 GTI with Liquimoly Molygen. Is there one?"
So we've never put together oil change kits with Molygen, and here's why. Molygen oil is a good quality oil. It's made by Liquimoly. It actually is a really good product, but the problem with Molygen, if you're not familiar, Molygen is a green oil that has the ability to use a black light to see if it leaks and blah, 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 and all that stuff. The quality of the oil is very good. The problem is it doesn't meet the VW approvals. If you look at the packaging of what Molygen is, and we offer it individually, but we don't offer it with kits because it doesn't meet the specifications. And we want to make sure that any of the kits that we're offering are going to meet those specifications. Molygen oil is recommended for the oil spec that your car uses, but isn't approved for it, which means this is a pretty unlikely scenario, but for me, it comes into the equation when I start thinking about different things that we're offering in terms of a kit, which is a turnkey solution that you are looking for to change oil in your car. Is there could be a scenario there where there was let's say hypothetically, an engine warranty extension on Mark 7s. Probably not, because it's not really any oil-related issues on them, but or major engine issues that are prevalent. If that happened, for example, and you were going in for a warranty extension and your engine blew up, they're likely to ask you for oil change records. Now, if you give them oil change records and they look deep enough into it, which again, that also could not happen, that they look deep enough into it for it to matter, but if they look deep enough into it and they recognize that this is not the oil that meets the spec for your car, that could create a scenario to where you would not be able to get a warranty extension covered because it's not the approved oil for the engine. Now, again, these scenarios are very unlikely, but it's one of those that I've made the conscious decision to do just because I don't want to put anybody in that position to do that. Now, again, if anybody uses that on their own, that's their decision. But for me, when we're making oil change kits on our end and packaging them together for you to buy them easily, part of the equation is making sure that you're doing what you need to do to retain your oil. So all the oil change kits we try to put together for specific models are going to have the approved oil included in them, and that's always our best effort to make sure that everybody's doing everything the correct way.